Welcome. If you've ever wanted to send a bunch of photos to your Instagram group chat from your PC, the latest Instagram update makes it easier than ever. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to send multiple photos to a group on Instagram using your browser. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Instagram's official website. Log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the Messages icon, which looks like a paper airplane. Now, you'll see a list of all your recent conversations. Find the group chat you want to send your photos to and click on it to open the conversation. At the bottom of the message bar, you'll notice a photo icon. Click on it, and a window will pop up allowing you to browse your computer for images. Select the first photo you want to share and click Open. But don't hit Send just yet. Right below the photo preview, you'll see an option that says, Upload another photo, just video. Click on this, and you can keep adding more images from your computer, one at a time. Repeat this step for each photo you want to include in your message. Once you've added all your photos, take a moment to review them. If everything looks good, simply click the Send button. All the selected photos will be delivered to your group chat instantly. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can now share multiple moments with your friends or colleagues in a single message, directly from your PC. This update streamlines group sharing and makes it much more convenient to keep everyone in the loop with your latest photos. Give it a try and make your group conversations more lively and visual. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your memories on Instagram.